Potatoes are one of the most important foods on Earth. Originally cultivated in the Andes Mountains of South America more than 7,000 years ago, potatoes eventually spread across the globe and became a staple food for billions of people. Today, they're transformed into everything from crispy French fries and creamy mashed potatoes to elegant gratins and fluffy gnocchi. But while they all begin with the same humble ingredient, each dish has its own unique history, texture, and flavor. In this video, we're exploring 8 of the world's most popular potato dishes and discovering what makes each one special. Let's start with the world's favorite potato. Fries. Few foods are as universally loved as French fries. Whether they're served in a fast food restaurant, a steakhouse, or a street food stall, fries have become one of the most recognizable side dishes on the planet. Despite the name, their true origin is still debated. Both Belgium and France claim to have invented them centuries ago, and the argument continues today. French fries are made by cutting potatoes into long strips before frying them in hot oil until they're golden brown. The secret to great fries lies in texture. A perfect fry should have a crisp, crunchy exterior while remaining light and fluffy inside. Many restaurants actually fry their potatoes twice. The first fry cooks the interior, while the second creates the signature crispy crust. Today, fries come in countless variations. Shoestring fries are thin and extra crispy. Steak fries are thick and fluffy. Curly fries are seasoned and spiral-shaped. Loaded fries are topped with cheese, bacon, chili, or even pulled pork. Some upscale restaurants even serve truffle fries, finished with Parmesan cheese and truffle oil. Simple, affordable, and incredibly satisfying, French fries have become one of the world's favorite comfort foods. Mashed potatoes. If fries are all about crunch, mashed potatoes are all about comfort. This classic dish begins with boiled potatoes that are mashed until smooth. Butter, milk, or cream is then mixed in to create a rich, velvety texture. The result is soft, creamy, and incredibly comforting. Around the world, families serve mashed potatoes alongside roast chicken, turkey, steak, sausages, and meatloaf. Different countries have developed their own versions. Some recipes include roasted garlic for extra flavor. Others add sour cream, cream cheese, cheddar cheese, or fresh herbs. Brown gravy is another classic companion. Although mashed potatoes look simple, achieving the perfect consistency requires careful attention. Too much mixing can make them sticky. Too little leaves unwanted lumps. When prepared correctly, however, mashed potatoes remain one of the most beloved side dishes ever created. Baked potato. Sometimes, simplicity is the best recipe. A baked potato is exactly what it sounds like. A whole potato cooked in the oven with its skin still attached. As it bakes, something magical happens. The inside becomes incredibly soft and fluffy, while the skin turns crisp and slightly chewy. Once cooked, the potato is sliced open and filled with toppings. Butter slowly melts into the steaming flesh. Sour cream adds richness. Cheddar cheese creates creamy pockets of flavor. Bacon bits provide crunch. Fresh chives bring brightness. Some people even top baked potatoes with chili or pulled pork, transforming them into a complete meal. Keeping the skin on also provides extra fiber and nutrients. Affordable, filling, and endlessly customizable, the baked potato proves that sometimes less really is more. Potato gratin. If mashed potatoes are comfort food, potato gratin is comfort food dressed for a special occasion. This elegant French dish consists of thin slices of potato layered with cream, butter, garlic, and cheese before being baked until golden. As the dish cooks, the cream slowly thickens while the potatoes become tender. Meanwhile, the cheese forms a beautifully browned crust across the top. Every bite combines creamy layers with crispy edges. In France, one famous variation, known as gratin dauphinois, traditionally skips the cheese entirely, relying on cream and garlic to create its luxurious texture. Around the world, however, cheese is commonly added for even more richness. Potato gratin is especially popular during holidays and family celebrations because it can feed many people while still feeling elegant. It's proof that potatoes can be just as refined as they are comforting. Hash browns. For many people, breakfast simply isn't complete without hash browns. Unlike fries, hash browns begin with potatoes that are shredded rather than sliced. The shredded potato is then pressed into a pan and fried until both sides become beautifully crisp. The outside develops an irresistible crunch, while the inside stays soft and tender. Hash browns are especially popular throughout North America, where they're often served alongside eggs, bacon, toast, and breakfast sausage. Fast food restaurants commonly shape them into rectangular patties for easy serving. Homemade versions are usually looser and crispier. The secret to excellent hash browns is removing excess moisture before cooking. Dry potatoes crisp much better than wet ones. Simple ingredients, careful technique, and perfect browning are what make hash browns such a breakfast favorite. Gnocchi. Unlike the other dishes on today's list, gnocchi isn't considered a side dish. It's considered a type of pasta. Originating in Italy, gnocchi are soft dumplings made from potatoes, flour, and eggs. The dough is rolled into small pieces before each dumpling is gently shaped using a fork. This creates tiny ridges that help hold on to sauces. When cooked correctly, gnocchi are light, tender, and almost pillow-like. Their delicate texture makes them completely different from traditional pasta. Gnocchi pairs beautifully with many sauces. Classic tomato sauce remains a favorite. Pesto adds fresh herbal flavors. Brown butter and sage create a rich, nutty combination. Cream sauces provide luxurious richness. Although they look simple, making perfect gnocchi requires balance. Too much flour makes them heavy. Too little causes them to fall apart. When done properly, however, gnocchi offer one of Italy's most comforting dishes. Tater Tots. Tater tots were actually invented by accident. In the 1950s, potato processors were left with thousands of tiny potato scraps after cutting French fries. Rather than waste those leftovers, they grated the pieces together, seasoned them, shaped them into small cylinders, and fried them. The result was tater tots. Today, they're enjoyed around the world. Each bite delivers a crispy golden shell with a soft mashed potato center. Because of their small size, they're perfect for dipping into ketchup, barbecue sauce, ranch dressing, or cheese sauce. Restaurants have also created loaded tater tots topped with bacon, cheese, sour cream, and green onions. Originally created to reduce food waste, tater tots eventually became a beloved snack in their own right. Potato wedges. Our final potato dish is the potato wedge. Unlike fries, wedges are cut into thick sections while leaving the skin attached. This creates a completely different eating experience. Because they're much thicker, wedges stay fluffy inside while developing a crisp, well-seasoned exterior. They're often coated with paprika, garlic powder, black pepper, herbs, or Parmesan cheese before baking or frying. Many restaurants prefer baking wedges because it requires less oil while still producing excellent texture. Potato wedges are commonly served alongside burgers, fried chicken, barbecue, or grilled meats. For people who enjoy more potato in every bite, wedges offer the perfect balance between crispiness and softness. From crispy French fries and golden hash browns to creamy mashed potatoes and elegant potato gratin, it's amazing how one simple vegetable can become so many completely different dishes. Some are perfect for breakfast, others belong beside a steak. Some are luxurious enough for fine dining, while others have become beloved fast food classics. No matter how they're prepared, potatoes continue to feed billions of people every day and remain one of the most versatile ingredients ever discovered. Now we'd love to hear from you. Which potato dish is your favorite? Are you loyal to crispy fries, creamy mashed potatoes, or perhaps fluffy gnocchi? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more food guides and culinary explainers from around the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.